Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic creator, artsy Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd. Yeah, it's me, artsy Bible nerd. Greetings! Thank you for showing up. So, if you have noticed, uh, today is the first day of inking page 24, the last and final page of the first issue. Well, let's not get too excited because there's going to be some coloring after the inking, so we're not done. We are very, very not, very not close to done. But this is the last page that I'm going to be penciling. What happened here? I think I lost some lines. Uh, I did erase the hands because I'm not happy with the hands that I had. So I'm going to have to redraw those. So today I'm going to work on drawing the head, face, and the body of Jesus without his left hand. And if we get finished with that, we'll work on the head, face, and body of Cleopas. And if we finish with that, we'll work on this big head in the inset panel. So, without much ado, let us do the inking. We'll choose a brush. We'll choose a number. Let's see what number 20 does. Oh yeah, not bad. Not too shabby, number 20. So, the question of the day is, what, if anything, are you going to be giving up for Lent? I know that not all Christians take part in Lent. Because how do I know that? Because until recently, I did not go to a church that observed Lent. I observed other people observing Lent. But now, I'm one of those people who go to a church that observes Lent. And I just got a text recently. When I think of the word Lent, I think of Catholic tradition. I think of Catholicism. I think of Ash Wednesday. I think of going to the church in order to get ashes smeared upon your head. So I asked. I had to text the interim pastor. That's what I'll call him, because I don't think anybody else is calling him that. But for sake of conversation, he says that it's not. They don't do it that way. It's not a similar to the Catholics. The Catholic Church has an Ash Wednesday service, and they do the ashes upon the head. And what Church of the Brethren does is they just observe Lent, starting on Ash Wednesday. And it might possibly be an evening service, so I wouldn't have to take off work. So there you go. So not all traditions are going to stick with that. Tradition! I've never seen Fiddler on the Roof.
What?
Yeah, I've never seen Fiddler on the Roof. Please do not have me arrested I know it's been out for a very long time. I have had opportunity to see it. And if I would have seen it, if I really wanted to see it, I should have seen it by now. I've also never seen Cat on a Cat on a Hot Tin Roof. Easy for me to say. Two separate roofs. I'm assuming that's. Wait a minute. Why don't I see the stream? Why? Okay, yes, I am streaming. Okay. It's all good. I don't have to start everything over. I was seeing the stream in OBS, but I was not seeing the stream in Stream Manager. Let's see how I like it. How do I like it? So what I'm checking for is whether or not I can see these little tick lines when I zoom it down to 30%. $74.2. Oh, there we go. That's 30% right there. This is not a print comic, so it may not matter. So I was reading, I don't know if I've told the story before, but I was reading the Action Bible. Oh, I think I have told the story before. I'm going to tell it again. I was reading the Action Bible with my son. He likes hearing stories about David, because that's his name. And also, I haven't tried telling him stories about Joseph yet. We shall see if he likes hearing stories about Joseph. So you may be wondering, you may be asking yourself, hey, why, Artsy Bible Nerd, are you going over these? Why are you inking over already inked lines? Why don't you just make it all black instead of re-inking what you've already inked? Because this was copied and pasted from page number, I don't know, one of the early pages. And the resolution is not necessarily trustworthy when you copy and paste from another page. So I want to make sure that the lines are not blurry. Because you don't want blurry lines. Don't want blurry lines in your art